Oh god damn it, there's a horse! I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding.
Somebody have it?
I got it. I don't have it.
You think that's not going to the fucking video, dude? I'm gonna keep coming after that.
What an idiot, dude.
They're both right.
Only did like 15 damage. Good shit, good shit.
When I said no, I meant yes, sorry.
We head towards CNA, towards this like woods right here. We might get a shot behind the team in the field.
2 at the trains right here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Standing still.
Got her.
You killed her?
Yeah.
Left, left, left.
Got him. You're welcome.
Hell yeah, dude.
Got one.
Hell yeah, dude. Oh my god, dude.
Cute insta-burn!
Yeah, it looks like it's in the White House in the back.
Can we even get in? I feel like there's a lot of security there.
Mm.
When I went in 8th grade, we weren't even allowed in the building. That was right after 9/11.
Well. God damn.
Oh.
Another,
Hit him with a hand crossbow.
another fucking team.
He hit a bear trap and killed him. Yeah, they might be coming right through the cornfield.
Sounds like it. Yeah. Yep, for sure. Got one. Oh, up top, up top. Got him. Hey, how do you guys feel about non-violent solutions? Okay, that's fair.
Shit.
Got one.
It's cool. You guys just bring shotguns. That's fine. It's totally cool.
I don't look what other people are bringing. I'm a fucking trailblazer,
Yeah,
okay?
I'm a trendsetter. Yeah.
Yeah, you're both the same trendsetter.
Hey, what do we
Why,
got
does he
on
also
the...
have a combo?
Yeah,
Is he in a Marwood?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't want to look like an asshole. I'll switch my skin.
yeah. Well, I don't know if that'll fix it, but...
Yes.
Yeah, in the middle courtyard, it sounds like.
I caught a flash upstairs. Ooh, where at, Jason? Got one?
Outside the building, hands right here.
There too. I just don't want to let him get a choke.
Hit her.
Nice.
To death.
She's bleeding to death.
Fucking still.
He's trying to shoot the barrel, but he keeps missing. What a dipshit. Oh, that's... I
one.
can't... Yeah, you must have got the one. 7 sights. Jason, you should be able to get to me.
True.
Oh, you're shooting at him, huh?
How was that not a headshot? Oh my god. He's right up here, Jason. Hit.
There he
Nice,
is.
thank you. Coming to you. Jesus.
Ah, I see one. Hold on. Oh, come back, sweetie. Got one.
Nice.
Other one's right above you.
Other one's dead.
Zone it.
B's going up. Ah, I'm fucking stupid.
Tag me. Fuck, man. I gotta heal.
Flash him.
Fuck. Hell yeah, dude.
Wow, dude.
And I got 34 cents.
Ooh, living the big life, I
What?
see.
I don't have that fucking
You're getting paid like 2 cents
You
an
don't have that fucking.
I don't
hour.
have that fuck.
You cockshire.
Maybe shut the fuck up, Perry.
Why I oughta.
Little bitch.
This guy's the reptilian with the fucking Springfield.
Marksman, right?
Right here, right here.
Dude.
Ah!
Fucking yeah.
Right here.
Yep.
Got her.
Good kill. In the trench.
Bleeding. Bleeding.
Right here. Pushing up to you. Fucking moron.
Kill. Throwing.
Got one.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
I hit that med kit. Oh,
Nice.
yeah, he's right down that way.
Up top.
Attaboy. Scanning.
The Avto's left, right?
Hell yeah, dude.
Beautiful.
Scanning.
Gotten.
We have like tablet here.
Worth noting too that we do not have an extract anywhere close. We're gonna have to kill our way out.
Yeah,
Mom always said there'd be days like this.
Where you have to kill your way out of a chicken farm.
Yep.
Roof dropped off.
Got one.
Nice. Dolch.
Got one.
Nice.
No, they can run. They got people on the other
Nope.
side of the compound.
Right here.
That one?
Nice kill.
Okay.
No, he's that's not a person.
We're like the Navy SEAL.
Eh. Or no.
Death over here. That's another death.
Okay. Whoever's 3-star, I'm going towards 2-star. You got a barrel right by you. Got a hit on him.
How many times does it take?
Came back in, I think.
Got one right there.
Oh,